And it's now time for the Business Day. Growth takes time. That's the word from the Director General at the Planning Institute of Jamaica, TVJ, Dr. Wayne Henry. He's urging Jamaicans to be patient as the island recorded another year of lower than expected economic growth.
The issues of economic growth and development typically are medium-term to longer-term issues. That if you were to say, if we really want to transform the Jamaican economy, and we have been on that path of the types of initiatives, sometimes it will take you some time before you say that. If you say, I want to build a cadre of professionals in engineering, how many people we train? Then if you think of a child being exposed to subjects, that's more math coming up through primary level education, secondary to tertiary, if you think of the number of years, typically it may take some time.
President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, Keith Duncan, wants investors to take advantage of the increased business between Jamaica and other countries in the region. He noted that Jamaica's trade deficit with the Caribbean community is shrinking, but he notes that investment is needed to enable manufacturers to take full advantage of the opportunities.
Our exports to CARICOM are actually increasing now, so we're reversing the trend where from Trinidad to Jamaica now, from Jamaica to Trinidad. So that's a real opportunity for us also. And with interest rates at these levels, we're hoping that medium and large investors will start to now see the opportunities and understand that we're in a stable environment and to take advantage of all the opportunities that Jamaica has to offer.
Oil prices settled lower today after posting its biggest yearly rise since 2016. Now at the end of trading, a barrel of West Texas Intermediate crude was down 47 cents, now at $61.20. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories later on.